Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to verify your identity on Blupeak. When applying for an account or verifying your identity with Blupeak Credit Union, the process is designed to protect your financial security while meeting standard compliance regulations. To complete your identity verification smoothly, you will need to provide specific personal details and documentation. First, you must have a valid, unexpired government-issued identification ready. This can be a state-issued driver's license, a state ID card, or a military ID. Make sure the details on your ID match the personal information you enter into the application or digital banking portal. Next, be prepared to provide your physical home address. If you have lived at your current address for less than 2 years, Blupeak may also require your previous home address. You will also need to supply your social security number, a current email address, and a reliable phone number. Providing an active mobile phone number is especially important because digital banking systems and security features, like secure codes, often rely on text message verification to send one-time passcodes when confirming your identity or logging in from a new device. Finally, for initial account setup or deposits linked to your profile verification, you will need a credit card, a debit card, or a U.S. checking account number along with its routing number. If you are prompted to verify your identity due to a security alert, a suspicious transaction, or an unrecognized login attempt, always ensure you are interacting through official channels. Blupeak utilizes enhanced login security features and device verification, meaning you may receive automated prompts or multi-factor authentication codes to safely confirm that you are the legitimate account holder. If you ever encounter unverified links or suspicious requests claiming to be from your financial institution, navigate directly to the official website or contact customer support directly to protect your personal information. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.